Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube channel again. Hope you subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. So today I'd like to show you how you can add image at text layer at Filmora video editing software. So you need to open Filmora, then just go to text layer, text section, then add a text, anyone which you want. Suppose I add this one. After add a layer, just double click, go to advanced section. At the advanced section, at the top you can find image plus option. Just click this one and select your image. I select this one. Here you can see beside the text my image is come out. You can also add animation at image. For this, just select your animation layer, then select animation and just select which animation you want. Here you can see my animation. You can also customize animation duration. Just select your animation layer, which layer you want to edit. Suppose you want to edit picture layer, so just select the starting section, just reduce this one, and also this one. This is the ending section. That's mean when your animation will be closed. So I like to delete this text layer so that you can understand. So here you can see the animation is going on. You can add more than one picture at the same layer. So just again click image section, then select your image. Again I would like to add one more. Then select your animation. I like this one. This one. So to custom the animation layer, just select layer, I like to come out one by one. So in this way you can add picture in your text layer and keep animation in the image, so that your beside the text your picture will come out and it look like more cool and more nice. So I hope you understand and you find this tutorial helpful. If so, give me a big thumbs up and mostly subscribe this channel for more upcoming video of this Filmora video editing section. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.